3, 2, 1.
Whistler was the codename of this Microsoft operating system. The answer is A, Windows XP. Which two modern-day countries used to be known as the region of Rhodesia between the 1890s and 1980? The answer is D, Zambia and Zimbabwe. What is the name of the antagonist group in Danganronpa Another Episode, Ultra Despair Girls? The answer is A, Warriors of Hope. What was the year of establishment of the Bari Italian Football Club? The answer is B, 1908. Who wrote and directed the animated movie Spirited Away 2001? The answer is C, Hayao Miyazaki. Which singer is portrayed by Bruce Campbell in the 2002 film Bubba Hotep? The answer is C, Elvis Presley. When did the United States formally declare war on Japan, entering World War II? The answer is A, December 8, 1941. On which continent is the country of Angola located?
The answer is B, Africa.
Rhinoplasty is a surgical procedure on what part of the human body? The answer is C, nose. In the original Super Mario Bros., what is the acceleration of Mario if he was in free fall? The answer is C, 91.28 m/s2. What is the cartoon character, Andy Capp, known as in Germany? The answer is D, Willy Whacker. Due to the Nagoya Resolution, China agreed to allow Taiwan to compete separately in international sporting events under what name? The answer is D, Chinese Taipei. In the Harry Potter universe, who does Draco Malfoy end up marrying? The answer is A, Astoria Greengrass. At what temperature does temp in degrees C equal temp in degrees F? The answer is D, -40. Spain was formed in 1469 with the marriage of Isabella I of Castile and Ferdinand Roman II of what other Iberian kingdom? The answer is C, Aragon. The buried remains of which English explorer of Australia were found in London in January 2019? The answer is C, Matthew Flinders. When was Chapter 1 of the Source Engine mod Underhell released? The answer is C, September 1st, 2013. In the game Cave Story, what is the character Balrog's catchphrase? The answer is B, Huzzah! What is the oldest U.S. state? The answer is A, Delaware. After how many years would you celebrate your crystal anniversary? The answer is B, 15. Which of the following pitchers was named National League Rookie of the Year for the 2013 season? The answer is B, Jose Fernandez. What is the longest bridge in the world? The answer is B, the Nongkunshan Grand Bridge, China. Which of these is not a faction included in the game Counter-Strike: Global Offensive? The answer is C, BOP. What was the first Android version specifically optimized for tablets? The answer is D, Honeycomb. What nationality was the famous artist Van Gogh? The answer is D, Dutch. Strange Ariel is a fictitious Earth-like world for which game series? The answer is C, Ace Combat. Who is the main character with yellow hair in the anime Naruto? The answer is B, Naruto. The sun consists of mostly which two elements? The answer is D, hydrogen and helium. What was the punishment for Sisyphus's craftiness? The answer is C, cursed to roll a boulder up a hill for eternity. Which of the following guitarists recorded an album as a member of the Red Hot Chili Peppers? The answer is C, Dave Navarro. Which of these television shows makes everyone look under their chair? The answer is B, Opera. When was Marvel Comics founded? The answer is B, 1939. What are the first names of the first father and son pair that were both Prime Ministers of Canada? The answer is B, Justin and Pierre. In aerodynamics, which force pushes an object upwards? The answer is C, lift. What French artist/band is known for playing on the MIDI instrument Launchpad? The answer is A, Maidon. Which Elite Four member from the first generation of Pokémon became the champion in the next generation? The answer is B, Lance. In a standard Gregorian calendar, how many months begin with the letter J? The answer is A, 3. Which German city is located on the river Isar? The answer is C, Munich. What was the first Call of Duty game to include the Zombies game mode? The answer is A. Call of Duty, World at War. Who is the half-demon character in Divinity, Original Sin 2 who you talk to transition between acts? The answer is B. Malady. Which of these places is a location in Cornwall? The answer is B. Barcelona. Wendy O. Koopa appeared in the Super Mario DIC cartoons, but what was she known as? The answer is D. Cutie Pie. Which of these fast food chains is not mainly known to sell pizza? The answer is B. Wendy's. What year did World War I begin? The answer is D. 1914. What nationality is D.Va from Overwatch? The answer is B. Korean. In the Neptunia series, which nation does Neptune rule over? The answer is B. Plankton. How fast is USB 3.1 Gen 2 theoretically? The answer is A. 10 GB/s. How many notes are there on a standard grand piano? The answer is B. 88. In the ADV English dub of the anime Ghost Stories, which character is portrayed as a Pentecostal Christian? The answer is A. Momoko Koigikyubo. What is the administrative center and largest settlement on the Norwegian archipelago of Svalbard?